Hey everybody, this is Chris with Battleground Public Schools Communications out here at Pleasant Valley Primary, and we're going to do a little demo of the new security for the entry here, which you'll find here at Pleasant Valley Primary, at Captain Strong Primary, and coming soon to Glenwood Heights. So I'm with Craig, principal here at the school. Craig, why don't you walk us through how this works?
When you arrive here, you'll come over, you'll hit the doorbell button here, and then you'll wait for the secretaries to let you in. They have a camera here so they can see who they're letting in.
How can we help you?
I am here to check out my students.
All right, the door is unlocking.
Thank you. And then once you hear the doors unlock, you can come on in.
Awesome. And we've got the new second set of doors here. It's also key card friendly. Locked during school hours. Awesome. Thanks for the demo.